Hey everyone, Newman here with 910. Today we again have the FX Panthera. This is after removing the chassis. If you need to see how to do that, I have a video on that, go check it out. In any case, what we will be doing today is installing a bottle adapter right here. There's a couple options on the market as of this video being made. Right now there's the FX version, and then there's also a version from Saber Tactical to put a bottle adapter here on the front plug. It's this bottom plug right here. Before you do this, the rifle must be degassed, must not have any air in it, or else it can cause serious injury. So just to prove, we have no tank, so there's no possibility of gas, and the plenum has been degassed. So both gauges are at 0. It is degassed. You can also tell it's degassed because the valve pin's sticking out the front here, and whenever I caught the rifle, it moved. So that's telling me right there, there's no pressure holding the valve pin in place. It is fully degassed and is fully safe. Okay, so now in order to install any sort of adapter here, you're going to have to remove that bottom plug. That's going to use a 4mm. It's going to be this bottom plug right here. So we're going to take it and snap it loose just like that. It may be a little bit more tight. You may have to get some sort of torque on, like an L handle, 4mm, or maybe put the rifle in a vise. I just got really lucky this time. So just going to take it, unthread it. It's just a plug, just like that. You will see there's an O-ring down there. You're going to leave that O-ring there. That's not going to affect anything. Just leave that O-ring in there. And then this is the Saber Tactical Bottle Adapter here. It looks very much like the FX Impact one that comes from Sweden. It's just a little bit different, as in there's a little bit less machining grooves to it. That's because the seal is already in the action there, so you don't have to seal it there. And then also there's a seal already in the bottle, so you don't need rubber steel washers or anything like that to seal this. I would advise applying a little bit of Loctite to this while installing it. I'm not going to for the sake of the video because I'm going to be removing this right after the video, and I don't want a Loctite residue in there. In any case, I would recommend Loctite. I would recommend like a Loctite, a blue, I believe it's 262 is the number. But I would recommend a blue Loctite for this. And basically all it is taking it and threading it in. Just like that, and you would get a wrench to tighten that down. The threading is M12 by 1. If you ever need to clean up the threads or anything like that, the threading is M12 by 1. So let me go grab a wrench real fast for this. Alright, so I'm back with my 24mm wrench. You could also be using a closed end or a socket on this. Either will work. I'd recommend a 6-point socket. We're just going to take the gun, lay it on its flat. I wouldn't grab this handle too much. I know it's you really want to grab the handle there to add leverage, but that could snap it off. It's only being held in place by 1 bolt. So it's best to grab it by the action itself and put some good muscle into it. And as you can see, it's not moving anymore, so it's obviously good to go. So there you have it. There's the installation of a aftermarket second bottle or front bottle adapter to the FX Panthera. The chassis does have to be removed in order to do this, and the bottle will not fit on there if the chassis is on there. Obviously, even without the barricade stop, its bottle's not going to fit. Saber Tactical does make an aftermarket chassis that does allow you to use a bottle with it. It has a special cutout in it right about here to allow a bottle to fit. See here, this is what a bottle looks like. And you can see how that would get in the way of the chassis. Thank you for watching this video on the installation of the front bottle adapter on the FX Panthera. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. If you would like to shoot me an email or visit any of my social media pages, links to those will be in the description below as well. Happy shooting!